Let's talk about customizing the background of your thesis site or blog. I'm going to go over the answers to two specific questions. Number one, which HTML elements are involved in the production of the background? In other words, if I want to have a gradient as my background, where in my CSS should I refer to that gradient? And number two, what is a background starter kit?
Okay, so let's answer the first question. There's three of them: the body tag, the container div, and the page div. The second question was, what is the background starter kit? Essentially, it is a zip file containing 6 sample backgrounds. Over at the Thesis demo site, Chris Pearson introduced it in a post, which I'm going to now. It's titled, How to Add Custom Backgrounds. I'm scrolling down looking for that zip file. To download it, click on the graphic. I downloaded it to my desktop, so I'm double-clicking the file to unzip it. Let's take a look at what's inside the unzipped folder. We have one CSS file called custombackgrounds.css and one custom images folder. I'm opening the CSS file now. The chunk of text at the very top, about lines 1 through 16, are instructions on how to use this file. I'm going to scroll down to around line 19, where the first of 6 sets of code begins. Let's see, this is set number 1. The first rule makes the body gray, the second rule makes the container an even darker gray, and the third rule makes the page white. If you copy and paste the set 1 into your site, this is what it'll look like. Let's go back to the CSS file we were just looking at. I won't go through the rest of the sets in detail, but I do want to show you the screenshots of what each one will look like if you copy and paste the code to your CSS file inside your custom folder. Here I have the first image, which is set 1. This is the second set, the third set, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth.